Are you a new parent struggling to take care of your newborn? It's certainly a journey filled with joy, but it can also be a time of confusion and concern. You're not alone in this. We're here to help guide you through these early days of parenthood, providing simple, easy-to-follow steps on newborn care. From setting up a safe environment to feeding and hygiene, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first step. So, you've welcomed your little one into the world, now what? Well, the first step is creating a safe environment. Your home, once a haven for grown-ups, now needs to be a fortress of safety for your newborn. Baby-proofing is essential. Cover those electrical outlets, install safety gates, secure furniture that could tip over, and keep small objects out of reach. Next, let's talk about room temperature. Your baby's room should be comfortable, not too hot or too cold. A good rule of thumb is to keep the room temperature between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanliness is key. Regularly sanitize toys and surfaces your baby comes into contact with to minimize exposure to germs. Lastly, remember to keep the sleeping area clutter-free. Your baby's crib should only contain a firm mattress and a fitted sheet. No pillows, blankets, or toys. Remember, a safe environment is the first step towards your newborn's healthy growth. Now that we have a safe environment, let's move on to an equally important aspect: feeding your newborn. Feeding your newborn is a unique experience that strengthens the bond between you and your little one. Both breastfeeding and formula feeding have their own set of advantages, and the choice between the two ultimately depends on your personal preference, lifestyle, and medical considerations. Breastfeeding is a natural process that provides your baby with all the necessary nutrients. It's recommended to breastfeed your baby on demand, which is typically every 2 to 3 hours for newborns. Remember, every baby is different, so it's important to watch for cues that your baby is hungry, such as increased alertness or activity, mouthing, or crying. On the other hand, formula feeding can offer more flexibility, and the baby's feeding schedule can be more predictable. It's generally recommended to feed your newborn every 3 to 4 hours, but again, look for those hunger cues. Regardless of your feeding choice, it's crucial to hold your baby in a semi-upright position during feeding to prevent choking. Make sure to switch sides during each feed if you're breastfeeding, to ensure both breasts are emptied. Recognizing when your baby is full is also important. Look for signs like slowing down, turning away, or falling asleep. Remember, feeding your baby is not just about nourishment, but also about comfort and bonding. So take this time to hold, cuddle, and make eye contact with your baby. Feeding your baby correctly and on time is crucial for their growth and development. With feeding covered, let's talk about something that might make some new parents nervous: maintaining your newborn's hygiene. Now, it's not as daunting as it may seem. In fact, your newborn doesn't need a bath every day. 3 times a week is enough in the first year. But always remember to clean the diaper area during each change using gentle, fragrance-free wipes or a soft cloth with warm water. Your baby's skin is sensitive, so opt for hypoallergenic, baby-specific products when you do bathe them. And let's not forget the most important rule of all: washing your hands. Yes, it's simple but immensely crucial. It's a must before you handle your baby, every single time. Why, you ask? Well, it helps protect your newborn from harmful germs and bacteria that could cause illness. So never underestimate the power of soap and water. Maintaining good hygiene practices is key to keeping your newborn happy and healthy. And there you have it, the basics of newborn care in a nutshell. We've journeyed through setting up a safe environment, ensuring your precious one is well fed, and maintaining good hygiene practices. These are the pillars of newborn care. A safe environment is your baby's first line of defense. It's crucial to baby-proof your home, making sure that every corner and surface is secure and baby-friendly. Feeding your newborn might seem daunting, but remember, it's a learning experience for both of you. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, it's all about ensuring your little one is getting the right nutrients. And let's not forget hygiene. Keeping your baby clean and dry is essential to prevent rashes and infections. A clean baby is a happy baby. But the most important thing to remember is this: every baby is different, and it's okay to learn as you go. You're doing a great job. Keep it up.